Couple of days ago I was playing Road Rash and I realized, well, I need a bike for my game, so why not recreate it in 3D? Bike. Yeah. So this is the extent of my modeling skills, so this is gonna be a bike for now. Then I used Unity's wheel collider, which is not ideal for a bike, but I have only like 4 or 5 days, so this has to do. Then I wrote some sweet code and got the bike controller Sketchfab, a massive library of 3D models for all your needs. And I got this rusty motorbike from just read it up, brought it into Unity and got it working. It's moving now, but the suspension of this bike is way too complex. So we need a different bike with a simpler mechanism. I got this reference image, modified it in Photoshop, then I imported it into Blender and modeled this bike. This time for real, I bought it into Blender and modeled the suspension and the tires. Yeah, that's the best I could do. Then I bought it into Unity, coded up the suspensions and added a rider. I used inverse kinematics for the hands of the rider so that they follow the handle. And if you don't know what is inverse kinematics, then
it's basically just kinematics, but inverse. Yeah, you're welcome.
And as Real Human 1234 said, when we turn, our bike leans as well. But it's a bit bouncy, so I'll hopefully get it fixed eventually. For now, we need opponents to race against. So I created one such that he follows a given spline. He's pretty dumb. We'll fix it eventually, but for now, we need a proper map because this is really boring. And I don't have enough time to create a new one, so, well, I'll reuse the existing one from my last video. Now that's cool, but we are still missing the iconic kicks and smashes from Road Rash, so it's animation time. And if you've seen my previous videos, you know how good I am at animations, so with tremendous effort I created these animations. I'm really proud of myself, I like that. Then I created this baseball bat and plugged all of this into Unity and we have our kicks and smashes. Then I added few enemies and yeah, we need to make them a bit less dumb. So I gave them raycast vision so that they can avoid the obstacles ahead and other enemies as well. And also I smoothened this horrendous leaning. Now it's pretty good. Still dumb. So I created these zones to tell them when to slow down. But this map is way too curvy and I want a high momentum race. So I moved them to the desert map. And also I added particle effects on attack and vehicle health system. But we still lack one of the most important things, sound effects. I found few sound effects in Pixabay. Then I plugged all these sound effects in my code in Unity, and with that we have our game ready. It ended up nothing like Retro Road Rash, but it's kinda fun. But in the next video I'm gonna start something different, something with real scope, hopefully a Steam release. And it's definitely not gonna be a racing game. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you liked it and dislike if you didn't. See you in the next one.